All right, guys, we got a Volkswagen Tiguan, but it doesn't matter which vehicle you have. The molding here came off. Customer bought another one online. He went and got me some clips. These are like a special clips. So you're probably gonna have to. They has my part number on it, so I wouldn't know what to tell you guys. Got a little bit of silicone. Got a pick. You're gonna need a few tools, such as flathead screwdriver. I got this long clip removing tool. This tool just removes the clips, like if there's anything left behind, like this little guy right here. Okay, that one's broken, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. And but other than that, I got another pick here. So you see this? This is the same part as that. Okay, this part here is this part. So we're gonna have to remove that little guy. And to remove this, you usually gotta go in the back, and there's clips back there. You just gotta remove those clips and just be careful with the body of the car. And they will break. They will break over time. And if there's any screws in the bottom, nope. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this guy and we're gonna pull this guy. That's all there is. Okay, there's not much you could do. You could either pull them down and see if it comes out, but other than that, it might not come out. So we're gonna reverse this procedure. We're gonna take off these clips now. They're not gonna be easy, okay? These things are really crappy and crappy design. Okay, if you want to push them in, you can push them in, that's fine. They will just fall through the back and you're just gonna have to fish them out. I'm not even sure if this guy has enough clips. Okay, he does have enough clip. So this thing is, if we could just replace this to a new one, this little guy. So you see how this is left behind? That's what we want, okay? But if that doesn't stay behind, we got new pieces, that's fine. And this guy comes out. That is the way, okay? There is no other way. A lot of customers come to me, oh, don't break it. Okay, then I'm not touching it, okay? Because it is gonna break, okay? Stuff is gonna be left behind just like that. There's nothing you could do there. Okay, we can live with these two right here. That's fine. Use a pick if you need to. And you see from the back end, they just come out. This guy, I just want to push this guy out. There you go, get out of here. This is fine, I can save that one. So all these are already out. Okay, what I want to do is I want to get this guy out because this can be used. The little metal retainer belongs there, but this plastic is part of the old molding. So you're gonna need a needle nose if that's the case, and this little guy, 10mm, I'll get that off. Okay, so when I got a needle nose, we're gonna pull this little guy right here. Okay, what this is, I'm gonna show you what this is right here. Even if you need to push it in, you can, but it's not gonna go in because the metal piece there. There you go. This is part of the other end of the side molding. This little guys right here, okay? And that's what these are. So they're part of it, so we're gonna leave it alone. Now it's time for us to prep this guy. So first of all, you're gonna hold this guy right here just like that. So you gotta remove these old clips, okay? To take off these old clips, you just tap them and they will come off. So there's a whole bunch. So what we're gonna do here is, you see this little inside this package, you gotta put these into the inserts of the holes onto the molding. You see this little guy? They go into the little holes, the circular-ish holes. And that's where these clips are gonna go into, okay? They go all around. They go in the whole thing. Let me just take this whole package out. I'm gonna just throw it on the floor. Camera with me and my light with me. So you see this little guys? 1, 2. Inside the package, we got all these. So this little guy goes here. This little guy goes here. This little guy goes here. And I got a few more. Okay, remember, we saved some. They could stay there. It's all up to you. You want to change them, change them. I would change them, but if they're not broken, like I always said, Don't touch them. And that's it. That's everything. There's no more. And going down here, there's nothing here. So everything just, it's missing few of these metal retainers, which should have been here, but nothing we could do there. So what we're gonna do is, all you need to do is now put the clips onto this little guy. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So now what we gotta do is just take your clips, just slide them on to this little guy on all the slots where they belong. And that's how this goes. And this, you just need plenty of these all over. And you can't go wrong, okay? You can't go wrong. They clip right in. And once you get them all in, sometimes they will move, so you gotta look at it, and then you just line it and you smack the whole housing onto it, and it goes right in, okay? There you go. A few more. One here. If I get this guy to sit properly, there you go. And we got 1, 2, 3 left. If you got enough slots, just put them in. And there's one. One goes here. And okay, that's all of them. I think he just bought just enough. I don't know where he got them, but now all we need to do is, oh, one of my clips just falling down. Anyways, should be easy for me to get these guys in. Okay, I'm gonna just fix this last one over here that came out. Okay, now I'm in trouble. There you go. Okay, now what you need to do is, let's see if you can focus here. I'm gonna bring the camera on this side. Let's bring the camera on the opposite side. Let's put our camera right here so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So pretty much, what you want to do here is, you want it up. The clips freaking keep falling out. This one clip doesn't want to stay behind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to twist it and get it in there. I'm going to just twist it once it's in there. Where's my needle nose? It goes in the back of me here. So I'm going to twist this guy. And hopefully it stays in its spot. There you go. Okay, now it's not going to come out. Anyways, now all you need to do is align these holes with the clips. Okay. And once they align, all you need to do is smack the whole housing in. Shouldn't be that difficult unless this is wrong. Okay, no, it's not wrong. Can't be wrong. Okay, there you go. Smack it in. Gotta work your way all around, okay? You gotta work your way all around. Hopefully the camera can see. All the way over here now. So when people buy used stuff, it just doesn't work out. There you go. Bada bing. Bada boom. I think I'm all set to go, and I'm gonna just leave it there. And if you need to put any silicone, you could use silicone as a glue, like down here. You can put a top of silicone because it will try to come out from down here. Let me show you here. So it will try to come out here because remember, it's missing stuff, and there's not much you could do there. Or you could put a top screw right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video. But eventually, and it is, remember that piece is broken here, so I would put a little bit of silicone here, and that's it. You're all done and set. Woo! Thank you for watching.